Hello everyone, I am Miss Pinky. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. I hope you all are doing well. Students, earlier we have discussed some topics of chapter 5 and today also we are going to start one new topic of this chapter. Today we will learn that how can we add and subtract of decimals. Now students, let us see how can we add the decimal numbers. Let us take one example to understand it. Here we have to add 11.15 and 13.935. So let us see how can we add. First of all, we have to arrange these numbers. We have to arrange given numbers in column according to their places. So here I have written places, ones, tens, and here decimal point, and after the decimal point we have tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, and then so on. So first of all beta, let us write 11.15. After the decimal we have 15. So after the decimal we have 1 will come in tens place and 5 will come in hundreds place, and before 1 we have decimal. Okay, now here we have 11 as a whole number, so 1 will come in ones place and this one will come in tens place. Now let us arrange this. We have 13.935. After the decimal we have 9, 3, then 5. So let us write 9. 9 will come after decimal. Here we have to put decimal, and after the decimal we have to write 9 in tens place, and then 3 will come in hundreds place, and then 5 will come in thousands place, and before the decimal we have 13. 3 will come in ones place and 1 will come in tens place. Okay, now beta, here we can see these decimal numbers are not like decimals. So first of all we have to convert these decimal numbers in like decimal. Here we have 3 digits after decimal, and here we have only 2 digits. So we can put here 0 to make these numbers like decimals. Okay, so now we have to add, and let us start from last digit, and here in thousands place we have 0 and 5. So we have to add 0 and 5. When we add 0 and 5 we will get only 5. Now comes in hundreds place. Here we have 5 and 3. When we add 5 and 3 we will get 8. Now comes in next place, in tens place. Here we have 1 and 9. When we add 1 and 9 we will get 10. Okay, 10. So we have to write here 0 and 1 will be carry. Okay, so we have to write here 1 here. Now here we have to put decimal, and now we have to add 1, 3, 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 1, 2 and 3, 5. Now comes in tens place. Here we have 1 and 1, so 1 and 1, 2. Okay, so it is very easy. In this also beta, like decimals में भी हमें कैसे ऐड करना होता है, जैसे हम किस में करते थे, होल नंबर्स को हम ऐड करते थे ना, ऐसे ही हमें ऐड किस में करना है, डेसिमल्स में भी करना होता है. Now let us take one more example beta. Here we have to add 6, 16.75 and 66.3. Here also we have 3 decimal numbers. Here also we have 3 numbers and we have to add these numbers. Now beta, we have to write places. So first of all we have to write ones, then tens, hundreds. Okay, now here we have to put point after ones place, and here we have to write tens, hundreds, thousands. जहां तक हमें नीड है बेटा वहीं तक हम राइट करेंगे. ओके, नाउ let us arrange these numbers in column. Here we have only 6, so where will come 6? 6 is in ones place. Here we have to write 6. 6 will come in ones place. Now we have 16.75. Now let us write this number 16. Okay, 16 means 6 will come in ones place and 1 will come in tens place. 6 will come in ones place and 1 will come in tens place. Now beta, after 6 we have decimal. So here we have to put decimal. Okay, decimal point. And after the decimal point we have 7. So 7 will come in tens place. And after this we have 5. So 5 will come in hundreds place. And after that we have 66.3. Now we have to write 66 and then 3. 66 means 6. This 6 will come in ones place. So here we have to write 6 and this 6 will come in tens place. Tens place. And now we have to put point. Now beta, we have 3. 3 after decimal point. So 3 will come in tens place. So 3 will come in tens place. Okay. Now beta, let us see. These are not like decimals, because here we have only one digit after decimal point. Here we have 2 digits after decimal point, and here we don't have any digit after decimal point. Here we don't have decimal point. यहाँ पर हमारे पास decimal point भी नहीं है. So where we have put decimal after this 6. Okay, not before 6. If we write 6 and like this and this, it means 0.6 means 6 will come in decimal part, not in whole number part. But 6 is a whole number. Okay, so 6 will come in ones place and we have to write 6.0 like this, not like this beta. Okay, because it means 6 by 10, not 6. So we have to put, always we have to put decimal after whole number, because decimal part will come after decimal, not before the decimal. Before the decimal we have whole number part, and after the decimal point we have decimal part. Now beta, to make these numbers like decimals, okay, we need to put 0 after decimal. Here we have only decimal, don't have any digit. So here we have to put 0. How many zeros beta? Only 2. Because here only 2 digit, here 1, and here don't have any digit. So we need to put only 2 zeros. Because highest number of digits are 2. Now here we have only 3, means only 1 digit. So here we have to put 0 after this 3, not after this decimal point beta. Okay, we have to put 0 after the last, we have to put 0 after the last digit, which is after decimal. Okay, so here after decimal 3 is last digit, so we have to put 0 here. Okay, if you will write 66.03 means अगर आप 0 को लिखोगे लेफ्ट साइड में, then it will be wrong, क्योंकि आपने 3 का प्लेस ही चेंज कर दिया है. Okay, here 3 is in tens place and here I have written 3 in hundreds place, so it is wrong. So we have to write 66.3 and then 0. Now we have to add. Now we don't have any digit in tens column, so no need to add. है ही नहीं बेटा कुछ भी यहाँ पे. So start from here. 0 and 5 and 0. Only 5. Here we have 0, 7 and 3. 7 and 3, 10. So here we have to write 0 and 1 will be carry here. Okay. Now we have to add 1, 6, 6 and 6. So when we add these numbers, we will get 19. Okay. So we have to write 9 here and 1 will carry over here. And here beta 1, 1 and 6 in tens column. So we have to add these. 1 is carry and 1 and 6. So we will get 8. And here beta, don't forget to put decimal point. Here we have to put decimal point. Okay, between ones and tens places. So our answer will be 89.05.